Hello, I'm Marianis de Jesus. I am Miss Latina Worcester County 2010, and you're watching Boston Latino TV.
We are here tonight celebrating the 25th anniversary of Hispanics Achieving and Celebrating Excellence, whose initials happen to represent hace, or the word to do in Spanish.
The 25th Annual Youth Awards Dinner held at Quinesigamon Community College brought together many friends, supporters, faculty, staff, students, and community leaders to celebrate the outstanding Latino youth in the Worcester area. ACE is proud to announce that over the years, 431 Latino students have received this recognition and monetary awards totaling over $92,000.